I invite you to transform waste into wonder. Let's go. Hello everyone, my name is Kusuma and I am passionate about simple, creative solutions for environmental problems. In just 5 minutes, I will walk you through how to make friends, containers from recycled bottles. It's easy, eco-friendly, and trust me, very rewarding. To make the food, you need a bottles, a knife, a marker, a brush, acrylic color, coloring tool, soup, cleanse, watercolor palette. Step 1. Use the marker to draw the outline that you said. For example, I'm going to draw a bear face on this bottle.
Here we go.
Like this. Step 2. Next, carefully cut along the line with a knife. Make sure the cut is smooth, so the bottle cap is set. Like this. Now, from the fun part, painting, because I'm making a bear, I'll start with bird. After it dries, I use wax for the air, smooth, and wood area. Finally, using a marker, I draw the eyes, ears, and mouths. You can be creative, make a cat, bunny, on anything design you like. Here is its result. At the bottom of the pot, make small square patterns to match. This is very important so the plant don't grow. At the bottom of the pot, make small holes for water to match. This is very important so the plant don't grow. fertilize with soil. Place the plant on top, then add more soil around it. Here is
Here we go.
focus on stress in no pressure with a just knife, a bottle, and a spark of imagination. The crab or environment and create something beautiful. Let's not life for us to be forgotten days. Instead, let's give them a second life as schools that the children hope. Together, we can make the world better and good. Thank you.